Hare Om. Until the fact of the subtler bodies is properly recognized, until it is properly recognized by the world thinkers, and their existence is established through a right and true science of psychology, and the development of the faculty of clairvoyance, the tracing of the causes of disease back to the subtler bodies is relatively meaningless. So he is explaining that about the existence of the subtler bodies is to be properly recognized by the world thinkers. Because only the form, the grosser body, physical body is the form aspect is considered, but the subtler bodies are not properly recognized by them. That is the problem. And the existence of the subtler bodies, it is to be established.
Which word is subtler?
Subtler bodies. That means the etheric body, astral, etheric, mental, all these bodies. But this problem is that always we, even the so-called thinkers also, by saying body, they mean only physical body. That is the problem. Therefore, the subtler bodies have to be properly recognized. And they are to be established through a right and true science of psychology. And the development of the faculty of clairvoyance, the tracing of the cause of disease. So, all this to be used to trace the cause of the disease in the person. The best reaction which the most open-minded physician can produce or admit is that the psychological attitude, the mental state and the emotional condition of the patient to either help or obstruction. The best reaction with this most open-minded physician can produce or admit is that the psychological attitude first is psychological attitude, mental state. And the emotional condition. So these three, the patient they will help the person or they will obstruct the person also. Many are already admitting that. Now many people are able to accept this fact. When therefore I say that cancer, for instance, has its roots in an astral condition. Astral. Cancer, for instance, has its roots in astral condition and begin its career in Atlantean times. So the origin of the disease of cancer, it is from the Atlantean.
Millions of years back.
Millions of years back. Now it has come to the surface. Here what we have to understand is, it has come to the surface now, but it was there existing in the inner layers for all these millions of years. It existed as distortion in the attitude, that is what is mentioned. Psychological attitude, mental state and emotional conditions. When there is a distortion in these three factors, then it is an obstruction for the proper flow of energy. Then the behavior is disturbed. So this cancer existed as a distortion in these subtler layers, and it came to the surface now, more and more. It means but little to the average man today. When you say that the career of the cancer, of the disease, is from Atlantean times, for the average man it means nothing. He does not realize that large number of people today are Atlantean in their consciousness. If you tell a common man, an average man, that the roots are from the Atlantean, then he says how, since so many thousands of years, how can it happen? But many people have the Atlantean type of behavior now. Today, many people, large number of people are today Atlantean in their consciousness. That is why their thinking and the behavior is like the Atlanteans. They are Atlanteans. their thinking and behavior is quite similar to the Atlanteans. I want briefly to touch upon the most common of all causes of trouble. What is this? Worry and irritation. They are more prevalent at this time than ever before. What is the reason for this? What are the reasons? For the following reasons. One is the world situation is such, the problems and uncertainty are such that scarcely a person in the world at this time is exempt. Nobody is exempted from this. That is the problem. They are more prevalent at this time than before because of the following reasons. First reason is the world situation and the problems are such that hardly any person is exempted from this. Everyone is more or less involved in the planetary situation because the origin of the disease is a planetary situation, not just only individual. And that is why everybody is, almost every person is involved in this. And second reason is the intercommunication between people has increased so much and men live so much in mass groups, large or small, that it is inevitable that they produce an effect upon each other as never before. This is also a major factor. When he wrote this was almost nearly 100 years old, more than 80 years. So, when compared to that time, now the communication between people is more increasing. So, it is good that there is a good communication, but it also turns into evil. Because now communication between the people is more, very well advanced. But that becomes an evil also. Because they produce an effect upon each other as never before. Because of so much communication.
And also population.
Their population also much increased. If one member suffers, all the members suffer in it is a statement of truth. This statement so if one member suffers, all the members suffer with it.
That means contamination.
Yes, that is what you can call
Mutual contamination.
because of so much of communication. It is a statement of truth, ancient but new in application. So this truth is ancient but new in its application. Today realized for the first time. Because you see, now, we have now the internet. So with internet, you are connected across the world.
And traveling also.
And traveling, and internet much more. And what is happening through internet, you can exchange and you can communicate anything immediately. Like it is as good as sitting nearby, next to you. But this is very much misused now. So it became a media of contamination. When some evil idea comes into the mind of a person, it can be immediately spread on a global scale. That is what we see now with the terrorism. IS and all these things, it is terrorism. They use this media. So this communication becomes so easy and sophisticated, then the evil also has increased. So if one member suffers, all the members suffer with it. And this is a statement pertaining to the whole of humanity. It is a statement of truth. Ancient but new in application, and today realized for the first time. And the third cause is the increased sensitivity of the human mechanism. It is also such that men tune in on each other's emotional conditions. This is a big cause, a stronger cause. First cause is this, and second is this. And now he is explaining the third cause, which is much more intense. This is very important to know. The increased sensitivity of the human mechanism. Increasing sensitivity of the human mechanism it is so much, it has increased so much that the men, which means human beings, they tune in on each other's emotional conditions and mental attitudes in a new and more potent manner. They get tuned very easily because of this high increased sensitivity. One can tune with others' emotional conditions and mental attitudes in a new and more potent manner, in a very small manner than before. To their own engrossing concerns and worries are added those of their fellow men with whom they may be en rapport. Here we have two things. Every person today in modern society has many worries by his own, by himself or herself. Added to this, he has so many people associated with him. So, all the worries of these people are also added to this. See?
Group work.
Group work. So adding up the worries of the fellow beings. And fourth point is telepathically and also with a developed sense of prevision, men are today adding the difficulties that belong to someone else. Men are today adding the difficulties that belong to someone else or to some other group of thinkers and of the people. To the difficulties that may be, it is not sure that they will be. So all this is more and more increasing. So this is more and more dangerous.
Distribution is this.
Yes, distribution of wrong things.
Everything.
These problems will demonstrate to you how intensely difficult it is for men to face up to life.
We have very funny, we have such short funny stories, we name them anecdotes. So we have this anecdote. So I'm very much worried about Ganduras.
About what?
Just about Ganduras.
Ganduras.
Just don't scratch it and it will stop. It's about psoriatic mayas. Don't scratch it and it will stop. Чтобы меня Гондурас беспокоит. Да не чешите, пойдет.
For me, this is a call for individual responsibility for the company.
Yes.
So we have to have a lifestyle where we do not disturb our company.
Yes.
So from the I to the we. So I understand it like this.
Yes.
So then there will be more.
That is why in Bhagavad Gita, once again, what Lord said is transform yourself by yourself.
Yeah.
That is the key.
Just a
Generally, what people think that we have to elevate because they are very much needed to be elevated, so we should elevate them. Lord said, nobody can elevate another person. Transform yourself by yourself.
This is the point.
By submitting the lower self to the higher self.
Yeah.
That is the only thing.
This is the uncomfortable, difficult walk. Therefore, always the others.
Yes.
What they say in the UN, we have to stop finger pointing.
Huh?
What they say in the UN today, they negotiate, we have to stop finger pointing.
Finger pointing, yes. It will be obvious that the problems of worry and irritation are many and must be considered. This is what is called as inquiry by Moria. Inquiry. Why are these difficulties of the astral body so perilous and so serious? Worry and irritation are dangerous because why worry and irritation are dangerous, that he is explaining. Dangerous because of the following reasons. The first reason is they lower the vitality of the man. When you have worry or irritation, it lowers the vitality of the man. Because by worrying you cannot solve the problem.
No.
Master humorously, Master E.K. was humorously explained this because someone was getting much worried, feeling much worried and depressed and could not sleep. And then Master asked him, why you are so? What is the problem? He said, I have to perform the marriage of my daughter. So Master said, if you have to perform the marriage of your daughter, what you have to do? You have to what? You have to search for a proper person, select and perform. But can you perform the marriage of the daughter by worrying and by not sleeping at night? If it is true, then all of us will join you. We also, for you, on your behalf, we also will get worried and we also will not sleep. Can you say, can you confirm that by doing so quickly, you can perform the marriage of your daughter? Master used to always impress one mind of the person to make him realize that by worrying, you cannot solve any problem. So what happens by worry? The vital force will be lower. When the vital force is lower down, that forms the cause of disease.
The emotions are
Emotions are up. So they lower the vitality of the man to such a point that he becomes susceptible to disease. So what is the cause of susceptibility to disease is not properly understood by the modern medicine. Cannot be explained by modern medicine unless they accept these factors. Why certain person is more susceptible to any disease? The more the person has worry and irritation, the more he is susceptible because his vital force is lower to that extent. This we have to understand.
which is the frequencies are different.
Yeah, different frequencies. The scourge of influenza has its roots in fear and worry. Influenza. So,
Grip.
from time to time, from time to time, many people are affected by this. Why? It is because of this. The origin is, starting point is fear, worry, and once the world settles down to freedom from the present fearful condition, we shall see that the disease disappears. How can we make this disease disappear? Not by vaccination. It is utterly useless. Because with the vaccination and all these so-called prophylactic measures, if you can really eliminate some disease, then by this time all the diseases should have been eliminated from the earth. And all the human beings should have been completely healthy. But it is exactly on the contrary. So it itself is a good proof to prove that this is not real prophylaxis. So what is the real prophylaxis? To work out the direction to eliminate this fear from the mind
There's the ignorance.
and ignorance.
Yes. This is the point. Second cause why worry and irritation are so dangerous. Second cause is they are so highly infectious. From the astral point of view,